just like that, it is your favorite motor vlogger back with another video. Man, we are not going to waste any time today. Guys, man, I heard all of you out there. And by the way, everybody out there, I love your response to the videos. Man, they are going all the way up, just like the channel is. Guys, you might as well ride with me. Hit me with those subscriptions. Loving that. But the debate is, should I sell the Stormtrooper, by the way, man, and she is looking so crazy with all the blacked out parts, or should we keep her and build that motor up? The bike has only got 3,000 miles, mint condition, ready to go, guys. This is going to be a video about that today, so stay tuned. Got a surprise for you. Let's get money. As always, got to get my glove game together, guys. You see, I got an addiction with the gloves hanging up on the wall, and I got to admit, man, I got way more gloves than this. But these are the only ones that I got up on the wall. I'm gonna fix that, but we gotta pick a quick pair of gloves real quick before we hit the road. All right, man, we are about to rock and roll, guys. I went with the Fast House gloves right there. You see the Fast Life on there, if you can see it right there, Fast Life, because we all live the fast life. So let's hit this roadie out to maximum performance MPH, and we are gonna see about getting the bike built up to a monster. Man, I gotta get all you guys recommendations out there. I know it's some bad bikes that you guys have built, and they are fucking badass. I need you guys to show me some love out there, and let's talk about these builds, man. This is gonna be my first time ever putting the bike together and making it a monster from the engine. Out on the road glide, aka the Stormtrooper. We are out hitting it on a quick ride. We're going to be rocking and rolling on our way to MPH maximum performance, and we're going to get some advice, and also we're going to talk about making this bike an absolute freaking monster. But it wouldn't be a vlog, guys, if we didn't get some scenic motorcycle rides, and we're gonna go through some slick curves today. I got a new set of curves I want to show you fellas, man. It is definitely going down. We're gonna rock down this hill and set it up today, but it's gonna be a great one, man. We are about to rock and roll. It is beautiful outside, as you see. All right, man, gotta get us some hill action with a little bit of curvage in here. It's through the day, so a little bit of traffic jumping, so I ain't gonna be able to hit it like I usually do. You guys know I rumble through these curves, so we gotta take it a little chill time because it's a little traffic going. But man, let me talk about what I want for the build. You guys see it's beautiful out here. Look at the scenery, man. Looking amazing. Get out and ride that bike, man. The world is beautiful through the eyes of a motorcyclist. Don't forget that, fellas. You can ride in the car, and it's not the same if you're on that bike, man. You gotta jump out there and check it out. It's beautiful out here. I want a fast-ass bike, but guys, I also want to be able to ride it every day. You know, I don't want a race bike where I can only take to the track. I want to be able to punch it and get some smoke, but I also want to be able to have it an everyday rider. So I'm gonna need you guys to help me out and let me know what you think about this build. We're gonna go talk to some specialists and see what they gotta say. It wouldn't be a moto vlog without a scenic motorcycle ride. And you know, I gotta rip it a little bit. I got a new set of curves I wanna show you guys. Now this is a challenging set. And they are no joke, so we gotta kind of be cool with this, get familiar with it, but these are no joke right here, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below, but you're about to see what I see from my perspective, man. Get out there and challenge yourself on your bike, man. That's how you get good. is about to go down. Oh my God, I'm loving these curves. Why, when you jump on curves, it's always got to be a car in front of you? Man, guys, you see, it is definitely going down. See, let's shift down into 2 and see what we got, because this is a whole new set, guys, and it is super sharp. And you see it's going to start to the right, left, and then got a hidden curve right here, which is tough because you can barely see around that, and then it'll go back to the right. I'm liking these right here. This is dope. Oh my God, giving me my, want to get my skills up, man, but this is definitely challenging. If this car wasn't here, yeah, he's going to get out of here so we can really rip these a little bit and see what we can do. Some performance going on, baby. Let's go. I'm still going to keep my hand on that gas. I am not going to touch the brake. I'm going to lean. You see it's getting a little bit tough. Okay, now it's really starting to get a little rough, as you see, guys. Now you got to lean inside to those cars and hit a little gas as you go. Man, that is tough. All right, I'm liking this. We're going to have to come back to the channel and really let it rip through here. Now, let's see what we got coming up above. Definitely going down, man. If you're liking the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, man. Let's go, baby. All right, fellas, just pull it up to MPH. Guys, you see in the place to be, MPH Performance. About to step inside. We are about to talk about the Stormtrooper, man. She looking so right, man. All right, so gonna roll in the MPH Maximum Performance right there. You guys see what's gonna go down. Put a high performance, maybe a cam, something in there, something to give me a little bit more high performance. What would you suggest to me?
Oh, it depends on what you're doing with it. You can go as crazy as big lift cams, cylinders, displacement, heads. Yep. Depends on the budget you want to do. I mean, everything's always around a budget.
No doubt.
So, I mean, doing cams and tuning, typically you're somewhere around $4 grand.
Yeah, around $4 grand. That's where I want to stick. About $4 grand is my budget, where I would like to be. By the way, hold on, before we keep going, what's the name of the spot real quick?
MPH
Max Performance, guys. These are beasts. I got good recommendations for them. What's your name? I'm Vern, by the way.
Tyler.
Tyler, nice to meet you, man. So, about $4 grand is my budget, so I want to know what's the max I can get for that. I want my bike to be souped, man. You already know what we want when we come in. You know what we want when we come in, so you know what I'm saying? What
again, are you doing more racing, touring? Because I mean, that's going to depend on the camera.
So what I'm doing is I'll do a lot of touring, but also, you know, I like to hit it, and you know, I like to do my thing. You know what I'm talking about. So I do a lot of touring for the show, and we do also events. But also, you know, I was riding with some guys, and they had the fast bikes, and I got my ass smoked. Let me keep it 100. I just want my bike faster, and I want it to be a beast.
Then you're kind of walking a fine line between drivability and performance.
No doubt, no doubt. So that's why I need you to navigate me to get me in the spot where I need to be at. Like, where would I need to be as far as cam-wise?
S&S Fueling makes some great cams.
Yeah, I like S&S. I heard a lot about that.
Some 465 series, some stuff like that.
All right.
That's probably where I would stick with that.
So no bigger, higher cam? Would that be like because I know the 475 or whatever?
Yeah, so you can get into those. The problem is you start going bigger, then you get into valve springs, and then you start getting into lift, and now you start getting into drivability side of it. You're starting to take your power from low to high, different things like that. So you always got to look at power as a curve. It's a teeter-totter.
Right.
So as you move power from down here, you're moving it up here.
Yeah.
As you're moving it from here, you're moving it here. So it's one of those that you're moving it, you're not gaining anything.
Right.
A cam.
So you suggest 465 cam?
Somewhere in that
range. Now, what else would I have to replace? Do I need the oil pump? Do I need all of that?
While you're there, I would do it.
So go ahead with the performance oil pump, the racing oil pump. What else would I need? Like I need the cams. So we'll go cams, oil pump,
support plate. Typically would recommend doing studs for the rockers.
Yeah, definitely that. Yeah.
Beyond that, everything else is what you want.
Could
exhaust, air cleaner.
So of course it goes. What would you suggest? Like I'm thinking Bassani, but what would you think? A 2-to-1?
Most 2-to-1s are going to give you a pretty good number.
Is there any way I can go 2-to-2? Because I like the look of a 2-to-2. You know what I'm saying? I like the look aesthetic wise, but you know, because I got the saddlebags with the stretch, and I just see, you know what I'm saying?
You can do anything that's got a 2-into-1-into-2 header. So Bates & Hines does their header that's like that.
Yeah. But would you suggest 2-to-1, no more power?
You get both alternatives. So doing the 2-into-1-into-2, you get the same kind of benefit you would have at the 2-into-1.
Yeah.
With just a different look.
Okay.
So the crossover gives you that look.
All right. So definitely, guys, I am about to talk to him. We're about to try to get some secret sauce in the Stormtrooper. So I'll be right back. Peace. All right, man, like I told you, man, we are in here trying to put some secret sauce in the bike. Got my guy from MPH right here, man. We are talking. I got to let him know, since we had a debate on this show, what's your opinion? I got a 107 right now. Should I go ahead and buy a new bike, or should I juice this one up and make it right?
Honestly, I would save your money on buying the new bike.
Nice.
All of them have the same fault problems, whether you have a 107, the 117, the new 121s. Okay. They all have the same problems. Oil pumps are all weak. Rockers are all weak.
So we continue in our conversation with Tyler, and we were talking about the 107 as opposed to the 117. So really, I think that you hit a great point, and the viewers out there said the same thing, that we should just go ahead and build this up. Yeah, and your opinion?
Yeah, I mean, you can take it as crazy. You can still up your displacement and get the same stuff that the other motor has with all the better pieces.
Yeah. So essentially, like I have a better, faster, more efficient motor when we do our thing to it here.
Correct.
So all my guys out there, I want to say a shout out to everybody out there who was leaving me in the comments below when you were saying, guys, go ahead and build up the motor. You guys were absolutely right. And Tyler agrees with you 100%. All right, fellas, again, man, we are in here getting it done. I'm thinking about going with the 124 kit. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Tyler says that one can push some crazy power. We're gonna see what it looks like, the numbers look like on the dyno, but definitely we're thinking about the 124. Let me know what you think in the comments below. 124, and thinking about going with the SNS cam. What size cam are we gonna go with? The 468?
Depending on what kit you want to get. If you're doing the 124 kit, I would probably recommend getting into like their kit. They come with 605 lift. 605 lift.
All right, so we are in here talking major parts, guys. You can see the book right here. I'm gonna spin it around, Tyler, right quick. And you guys can see we are all with trying to get the power set up and everything, man. It is definitely gonna be a great build, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you've ever built your bike up, let me know what you've got in your bike as far as power, cam, all that good stuff. Let me know in the comments below. All right, my budget, what should we do?
Get rid of the stock header for one.
No doubt, no doubt. Definitely gonna do that.
Stock header and an air cleaner.
All right, so what we're gonna do is get rid of the stock header, guys. Get rid of all of that. Get rid of the air cleaner. And then we're gonna throw a cam in there. Of course, tune it, change the oil pump, all that good stuff. Really want your opinion on this. Think we can really make this thing a rocket? Do you think with the cam that we can really make it go?
I can make it better than it is now. That's for sure.
Yeah. I want to know, can it go though? That's the question. That's what I want to know. Can it fucking go, man?
It'll pick it up quite a bit. It'll get you where you want to be, I think.
Yeah.
Without getting too crazy with the budget and stuff like that, I think it'll get you where you want to be.
Okay. All right, man. And just like that, I just came out of MPH Performance, and here is the estimate right here, guys. And man, I ain't gonna even hold you guys out there. I was not expecting the numbers I got. I got an estimate right here, guys, for $7,700. That's not including the pipe, that's not including the oil change. So that thing's gonna spiral anything at a $10,000. Guys, if you know anybody out there who can put a 124 in this bike and make it blaze and keep me in my budget trying to get this done, it is so frustrating. I did not know the numbers were gonna look like that. So, hey, I'm new to the build game. If I'm way out, then I don't know because I'm new. But you guys got to give me some help out there. Leave me something in the comments below. I'm a little salty today because I thought I was gonna be able to get this done. So I ain't gonna even lie, man. I am not feeling it right now, but you guys can leave me something in the comments below. Bring me back to life, man. Get me back together. So gotta jump on the bike, get out of here, guys. See you just like that. All right, just back from the performance shop, and I ain't even gonna hold you, man. I'm frustrated with the whole process of trying to do a build on the bike. Got that crazy quote, $7,700, and that's without the pipes, that's without the oil change, that's without the plugs, probably without a bunch of more parts that you need, which is gonna make the price just spiral all the way through. So super frustrated right now, man, and I really don't want to end it like that, but kind of pissed right now. So guys, until next time, keep those two wheels down. Peace.